how to fix Shift key not working in Windows 11 is what I'm going to show you in this video. So if you plugged in your keyboard and you want to write something, an email or anything, or search something on the internet, but you can't write a big T due to your Shift key not working, this is the video for you. In order to fix that, you can go over to the search icon and search for Control Panel. There we go. Now yours will probably look like this. In order to continue, you need to go to View By, Category, open it up and click Large Icons. Now the next part would be to go to Ease of Access Center. Click that. These two boxes might be checked, which will then read out loud anything on here, so uncheck those. They are very annoying. Now, in order to fix your Shift key though, you want to come down to Make the keyboard easier to use. Click that and then Turn on sticky keys. If this is checked, uncheck this, then hit Apply, and then wait till that goes, and then OK, which will get you back to this. Now, if this still didn't help, open up your search bar again and search for Device Manager. There you go. Open it up. Now, under these, you want to go to Keyboards, as you can see here. Open it up. And now these are your keyboards that you use to connect to your PC. Now, select the one that you're currently using. So for me, it's this one. Right-click it and then Update Driver. Click Browse My Computer for drivers, and then let me pick from a list of available drivers on my PC. There we go. As you can see here, there are several ones. I click the last one because this is the name of my keyboard. Click Next. Installing drivers. You might get a message that says save all your current projects, and you would then have to restart your computer after installing the driver of your keyboard. You would then have to restart your PC, restart, and once you come back, your Shift key should be working again and it should be fixed. I hope this video could help you out. If it did, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.